Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another informative video. So from the last 2 weeks, many of you have been pinging me on the step-by-step process on how to fill Thailand's digital arrival card. Now this replaces the old TM6 form and this is effective from May 1st of 2025. Now guys, I want to complete this video under 5 minutes. So without wasting any time, as you can see on my screen, 98% of you who are continuously watching my channel are non-subscribers. So kindly hit that subscribe button and support my channel. So you have to fill this form within 72 hours of departure time, and I'll waste no more time. Let's go to my screen and begin the video. Hey guys, I hope you can see my screen. So this link, whatever I'm going to click is given in the description below. So you can please click the same link. So I'll just click on this link and I will get my Thailand digital arrival card. So I were to click arrival card, provide your digital arrival card details for your upcoming trip. This is what I'm going to click. So once I click, I basically get a form and all this information will be there in your passport. So please open your passport and fill this information accordingly. So I'll just start off with family name as Traveler and I'll give my YouTube channel name Software Traveler for the video purpose guys. Software Traveler, and nationality would be India. Yeah, and passport number K340529. I'm just giving a dummy passport number guys. And then date of birth, I'll just select as 1992, month 04 and date 04. And occupation, I am a software engineer. So I'll be giving as software engineer. So please do give your occupation accordingly. Gender would be male and country of residence again would be India. And then the state would be Karnataka. So I'll just select Karnataka, and phone number one. So I'll just click on continue, and the date of arrival would be ideally after May 1st of 2025, but as May is not yet, I can't go to May yet. So what I'll do is I'll give it as April 9th for the video purpose. Purpose of travel would be holiday. Please choose your purpose accordingly guys. So this would be holiday and mode of travel would be air. And for 99.9% of the people, it will be commercial flight. If you are traveling either ways, please select accordingly. And vehicle flight number would be FD138 is the flight number of AirAsia, which is flying from Bengaluru to Bangkok. So give your flight number accordingly. Flight number would be present on your ticket. And then departure, I'm not going to enter because they have not asked it in red and it is not mandatory. And if you're a transit passenger, please click on it accordingly. If you're transiting from Thailand to a different country, maybe you're going to Japan and you're going via Bangkok, please do select this accordingly. And type of accommodation in Thailand would be hotel, and province would be Bangkok because I'm going to stay first few days in Bangkok. And district area would be, I will be staying in Avani Sukhumvit Hotel. So the district would be Klong Toy. So I'll just select it as Klong Toy here. So if I just scroll down, you can see Klong Toy, and then the district sub-district is also Klong Toy as per the hotel location, and this would be the pin code. So I'm just going to remove this and put the pin code guys. So I'm not able to copy paste for some reason. So 10260 and then address would be and then I'll click on continue. Sufficient data. Okay, country where you boarded. Okay, I think I missed this information as well. This would be India. I'll just click on continue. So once I click on continue, passengers, so within 2 weeks over I visited Japan, so I'll just give it as Japan. But if you don't have any country, just don't give, just click on proceed. And if you want to add other travelers like your wife or spouse or your husband or your kids, you can add that. If you want to delete, you can delete this as well. So I'll just click on preview. So once you get the preview option, you have to specify an email address. Basically your email address like abc@gmail.com is my email address. So I'm going to specify this and I'm going to click I have accepted, agree, and then I have to submit guys. Of course I won't submit it because this is for video purpose. So I hope this information is very good guys. I didn't want to waste any time on this video. I wanted to make this video to the point. I hope this information is very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to comment in the comment section. I'll try to respond to you, or follow me and then ping me on Instagram. I'll respond to your comments as soon as possible.